The do-it-yourself or DIY option for building a WordPress website is for the person who loves technology. It's for someone who can take the concepts of swapping out an image, putting in your own text into the format that is on the template already. If you're that type of person, you'll do really well with this package. I provide you a choice of 8 different templates, and when you're looking at the templates, you want to look at them from the aspect of, do I have the information that I need to replace what's there with my own information? And if so, it's a great template for you. Some of these templates have shopping carts and some of them don't. Some of them have event registration options and some of them don't. So kind of look at the different options that all of these templates have and see which one would fit best with your business. If you're a service provider, don't just look at the service provider template, because you don't need to fit into that box. You just need to be able to have all of the information you need to complete the transformation of the template to make it yours. And you can, if it has extra pages that you don't need, that's okay. It's easy to delete a page. And I do provide videos on how to do things like deleting a page, changing your menu, basic WordPress stuff, as well as specific things to these templates as far as swapping out the images, changing up the text, explaining to you how the builder works and all of that. So you've got me in your back pocket, so to speak, but you'll be doing all of the actual work yourself. So if you fit this description and this sounds exciting to you, then this is the package for you.